Hi, I'm Hebron Sinclair. Uh, I've been working at a Besco for 10 years. I've been welding for 5 years, and I've been fitting for 4 months. My favorite part about the job is that you're dealing with a lot of heavy material. Uh, these are actually buildings that are going to be standing up. Um, when you go riding down the street, and you see a building that's being put up, you'll be like, hey, I welded that. Hey, I put that together. So you're actually helping on a project that's going to be lasting for like hundreds of years. The clip here has already been pre-measured. It just has to be held on there so that when we weld, it doesn't move or anything. I have here a Bessie clamp. I'm going to be making sure that it's onto the clip and that it doesn't move. Usually sometimes when you throw a tack on there, it would lift up or it'll move to the side and it'll be stuck there. This Bessie clamp prevents that from happening. After I've done that, take the Bessie clamp off, ready for a weld. I'm going to show you how to use a zip cut to take off the clip. Usually, sometimes people would make a mistake and measure out the clip wrong, and it has to come off when you already have it tacked. It's usually good for cutting into welds, very precise and very accurate. What you would want for this is your face shield. It protects you from getting any kind of debris in your eyes or your face. Once you get a good cut in there, grab a hammer. Usually takes a couple good swings to get it right off. And you got your piece off. Then you'll want to grind this off and remeasure and retack. The most important skills that you need is to be able to read a blueprint, understand the weld symbols, understand measurements and where things should go, and how to use your welding machine, and knowing what PPE you need to wear. When you're welding, sometimes you get welding distortions, which causes the beam to bend, twist. A way to minimize that is to even out your heat when you're welding, or even out the welding between different areas. So sometimes you want to weld on one end of the clip. If this was the clip that we were welding, you'd want to weld on this side and this side, or this side then this side, and then the bottom. Just kind of like even out the heat so it's not all directly onto one and take a break between.